gauges, you have to actually put the dash pad in, because it actually mounts the gauge cluster, which I've redone, and it mounts through here and on the bottom and then on the metal framing itself. So it's a little different than a lot of the newer stuff, or even some of the older stuff. I've just repolished the trim with the new custom emblem on it, and should be later today. I should have this all put in, the gauge cluster, and ready to put back in the truck. Right now I'm reinstalling the glove box lid, and hopefully I've got everything lined up, and these are a little bulkier, so it's a little harder to get these to go, but I think I've got it here. Okay. And it's done. I haven't put my other bolt in yet. The dash should look, it isn't lined up. This will give you an idea of what the dash looks like when I'm finally done with it. I'll finish setting the gaps, doing adjustments, and then this all will be a nice line gap. Then I'll be ready to install my gauge cluster.
I'll set this all out here on the table, and then I'm bringing in the hood and dog piece and get them finished and we're done.
Just started installing wiring. I put them in its clips across here and everything. If you, when you're doing this will always, if you'll write down what this is, this one like that right here, this says gas. It goes to gas gauge. It tells you everything. If you wire, write down, put your paper on there, it makes it so much easier to put this all back together and do it outside. We're going to tape up the wires that go to the back of the cab. I'll wrap these up. Here's the plug that goes through the firewall. I've got everything. The fuse panel box is up underneath the glove box. Just doing it right now. Installing all the gauges. Here, I'll open this up so you can see down inside. This will be where the fuse panel box bolts back up inside.
I'm taping all this off to get ready to spray the outside of the hood, cut in all the inside, it's all done and ready to go. I'm gonna tape it up, put paper across this, flip it over on a stand, and spray this, and be done. I got a couple other things I'm doing at the same time. And why don't you take a walk out there and take a look at the dash and the other things Kenny's been doing, and you can get an idea of where we are today.
I've just installed all the dash, got it all back in, the gauges are wired, the vents. I've got to put one more air vent, AC vent in, and hook up the last of the heater wires, and pretty much got everything else done on this. But the dash, the visors are done. We've got the visors done, redone.
Alright.
Finally, everything's mounted. I've got the thermostat sensor in it now. Everything's rewired back up underneath. All I've got left is the two dome lights, switches, and the dome light itself. I'll run the wire, pull it, and then everything's done in here other than put the steering column back in, which that will be once it's down on the frame.
All right, go.
Okay, now I'm putting the rubber door seals on. seal for the door here, put it over the channel. After you get it down so far, you take a rubber mallet and you tap it all back down, nice and in place. Go around the whole windsill and everything. Give it a few minutes, and then I can sit the body back down and I can start opening doors and stuff. And putting all the doors together. Now this is a pain.